Some nights I stay up, cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw.
Let's do this. What'd you roll?
One, two, four.
Boo!
You might kill me. Oh my god, how much is it?
What's the hotel price?
What one is it?
Telephone. The one I bought from you.
Oh, of course. Hotel is $9.50.
$9.50 times 2. That's only 1,900. Yeah, you count those. You might survive, you know. So I'll just have to put some more hotels down.
Oh my god. 1,000. 600, 700, 800, 900. I'm gonna cry. I don't like you.
What's new, pussycat? Whoa,
Oh.
What's new, pussycat? Whoa, Pussycat, pussycat, I've got flowers and lots.